Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a video about compound finance. In this video we're gonna see it's 100% it's legit or fake. We have the proof, guys. Okay, so watch out the video fully, guys. Okay, guys, before getting into the video, the giveaway is going in our channel, guys, so don't forget to join in our giveaway. Okay, guys, let's get into the video. Compound finance. Compound finance, the pre-sale is ending tomorrow, right? Pre-sale is ending, 28th, February 28th, 14 p.m. UTC. This is the Twitter page, official Twitter page of Compound Finance, and they have given, guys. Pre-sale is live and the end of 28th February 14 UTC. And lot of things are given there, how much they are giving, the pre-sale price, Bangkok swap price, whatever, everything they are given, guys. Okay, so this compound finance is completely fake. Okay, completely fake, guys. Those who are invested in this compound finance, all of them lost your money, guys. That's 100% damn sure on this. Okay, so I have the proof also. So they only share the proof also from compound finance, how they cheating people like that. Okay, so proofs also available. Okay, so nothing to worry. I will show you all. Those who are invested, I don't know what to say, because they are cheated very well. So I don't know what to say. So these all just 10 tweets they are tweeted till now. Right now 1300 followers are available, but just 10 tweets they are tweeted to cheating the people, guys. Okay, let's go to the Telegram group, guys, so you will get ideas. Okay, guys, this is the official Telegram group of Compound Finance, guys. Okay, so they are given the Telegram channel, Telegram group, Twitter, everything. Yeah, that's fine. And they are given pre-sale price, supply, blah blah blah. They are given. Okay, everything is fine. This is about the airdrop of the Compound Finance and how much API they are giving. Everything is fine, guys. Okay, so and finally pre-sale is open. You can commit your BNB or BUSD, whatever it is, something. And 28th February 18 UTC banning event, you will be getting credit the coins, everything, guys. Everything they have given. Okay, fine. Then finally just come down, guys, scroll down. Yesterday they posted a thing. Okay, this is the screenshot. Check this, guys. $2,000 paid for YouTube promotion in Coin Bureau channel. Hope you all know that Coin Bureau is a big channel, big crypto channel. Nearby 2 million subscribers they are having, and their earning will be minimum like yearly lakhs of dollar, guys. Okay, so that much they are earning. Okay, yearly lakhs of dollar they are earning, thousands of dollar they are earning. So that's a big channel, guys. Okay, so from Compound Finance they are telling $2,000 paid for YouTube promotion in Coin Bureau channel. Don't miss pre-sale, guys. Okay, so just click on that screenshot. Okay, just check it. So here you will get ideas whether it is fake or legit, guys. Okay, so you can check it. Confirm order. Okay, so below confirm order you can check it. You receive. Okay, so if they are sending there, you send, that will come, guys. But this 2000 USDT is received by this person. Okay, because they only receive 2020 to 2000 USDT, guys. Okay, they are not sent 2000 USDT to anybody, because this is a receiver transaction script, guys. Okay, this is a receiver transaction thing. Okay, so you will get to know what has happened. Okay, so somebody sent $2,000 and for $1 for transaction fee and $2,000 for their credited in the spot wallet. Okay, this is they received $2,000. That screenshot they are posting and cheating this much people, guys. This is a official group, Telegram group of that Compound Finance, but they are posting this receiving transaction script, guys. Okay, and one more thing, if some company is doing like promotion, no one will share the thing like we are promoting for this much money, like we are spending for the promotion this much of dollar. No one will promote, guys. So hope you all know that right now what has happened right now. 100% this is cheating, guys. There is not even 1%. This is legit, guys. 100%. They received $2,000. $2,000. That screenshot they are sharing with us, and they are making us fool, guys. Okay, so don't believe these kind of things, guys. So tomorrow is the day. Everyone will get to know how they are receiving the coins, guys. Scroll down again and again. They are posting this 2,000 they received. That one they are posting and cheating the people. Okay, if they are sending to someone, you sent, that one will come. Okay, but this is you receive, guys. They are received, they not sent. Okay, so it's completely done. The official channel they are posting these things. 2,000 we post for promotion. Don't miss pre-sale. That's it, guys. Okay, so completely it is fake, guys. Those who are invested, I don't know what to say. Try to recover, but by doing something, guys. That's what I can say. Okay, so don't invest in like this kind of project, guys. Just do your own research before investing. Okay, because even I am also lost in few projects. Not now. Initially, when I was in crypto, initially I was lost few things. Okay, so it's sometimes it will happen, but and just do your own research before, think a few times, okay, before get into putting money, guys. Okay, so nothing will happen. Try to overcome here, because tomorrow is the day you will get to know whether they are paying you coins or they are cheating the people, guys. Okay, guys, so we'll see you in another video, guys. Thank you.